Welcome back again. I told you, government always tries to ensure social justice to every section of the society through many rules or laws. This social justice is the basis of Gandhian socialism. This social justice is the basis of the Gandhian socialism, which ensures this socialism or Gandhian socialism ensure the equal availability of the resources to everyone and which can stop the discrimination. Here, government has taken many initiatives to stop this discrimination. Okay, now let us discuss workers' worth. It is the duty of employer to respect its workers. It is the duty of each and every employer to respect its workers. You know, foreign many foreign companies come to India for cheaper labor. You know, the wage in USA for a labor is higher than that of the poorer countries like India. There in USA, they have to pay high payments for their labors. That is why many European or American companies started their companies in India because here the cheap or cheaper labors are available. And also in India, the unemployment is very much. The unemployment in India is very high. There are many workers willing to work in any unsafe conditions because of this unemployment, because of the poverty. Because of the unemployment and poverty, many or millions of people are ready to work in any unsafe conditions to get a minimum wage. This is why many foreign companies provide very low infrastructural facilities in their company because of the willingness of the people. Because of the unemployment, people are ready to work in any condition. So it is the duty of our government to ensure the safety of its citizens. Okay, now we will discuss about the enforcement of the safety laws. Enforcement of the safety laws. What is it? Compelling to obey rules or laws. That is the enforcement of the safety laws. It is the duty of the government to ensure the right to life. It is the duty of the government to ensure the right to life, which is mentioned under the Article 21 of our Constitution. According to the Constitution, the Article 21 says about the right to life. So, it's the duty of the government to ensure the right to life, which is granted by our Constitution. There is a great need of strong laws to protect the workers, and also it should be enforced properly. The laws cannot only control the problems. These laws should be executed properly. So there is a great need for stronger laws to protect workers' rights and better enforcement of the laws. Compelling to obey the rules or the laws are very important.